Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a collaboration with my new friend Julie K, and we're doing a drugstore versus high-end eye makeup look. I'm doing the drugstore version and she's doing the high-end version. I will leave her video what is it, right here on the eye and down on the description below, so please go watch her video. She's awesome and she's the sweetest thing ever, and go subscribe as well. So yeah, also please make sure, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like the video if you enjoy it, and you can feel free to comment whatever you like. The comments below, just be nice. And again, thank you guys for watching and being here. So now let's go into the video. So we're gonna be using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, and I wanted to do like I was thinking like halo eye, because it has a lot of reddish, pinkish, orangey colors. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing creating a halo eye with the new Rosé in the Air palette. And I already have my full face done, but I'm gonna have all the products that I use on the description below. So I have my brushes here. So first we're gonna be using the transition shade, and this is, they have numbers in the bag so you can identify the colors. So the transition shade is number 10, so we're gonna be using this all over our crease. And I'm gonna be using this LA Colors Professional Eyeshadow Blender. So that's how it looks like, and we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna move my mirror just a little bit, so I'm sorry if you can see right here. Okay, so now that I have the crease color, I'm gonna take this orangey color, this one right here, and it's in the color 2. No, it's actually 6. Sorry, it's in the color 6, and I'm gonna be applying it with this Wet n Wild. I think this is from the dollar collection that they have, where you can find it pretty much at like dollar stores. So actually I'm gonna take the 3 colors. I'm gonna take these 3 colors, which is 6, 7, and 8, and I'm gonna apply them right on my crease, like where your what is it called, like where your eyelid folds, right there. So I'm gonna be concentrating those 3 colors right there. So take them. So after you apply those 3 colors on your crease, this is how it should be kind of looking. So now I'm gonna apply those 3 colors on my inner and outer corner or of my eyes. So let's do it. Okay, so after we apply that, we're gonna be taking a clean fluffy brush and we're gonna blend everything so there's no harsh lines. So I also have the Wet n Wild, another Wet n Wild fluffy brush. This one is a little more fluffier than this one. I thought they were the same, but not. Like this one is a little fluffier than this one. So we're gonna take the fluffy one and we're just gonna blend everything together. So now that we blended everything together, we're gonna put some concealer in the middle of our eye. I'm gonna be using this champagne color right here. It's in number 3 or color 3. So I'm gonna be putting that just in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm gonna be taking the NYX full coverage concealer to put it in the middle of my eyelid. In the center of my eye, pretty much, or eyelid. And we're gonna be taking, I think I got these brushes from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't even remember the name of the brushes or anything because they don't have names, but they're pretty good. And I got them from Walmart, so I'm gonna be taking this one, which is, I'm sorry if I'm looking this way, it's because I have a laptop and I use it as a monitor so I can see myself better. So if you see me looking over here, that's the reason why. But it's pretty much just a flat brush, and I'm sorry that it's really dirty, but I use it to curve out my eyebrows too. So I have it in the color beige. That's how it looks like. We're just gonna take it and we're gonna is it called like cut crease? I don't know. So I didn't like how this brush is making it look. It's really hard because it's a flat brush. So I'm gonna take this one, and I don't even know where I got these brushes, or like in a set, like a little travel size set. So I'm just gonna take this one. This is just a flat brush. So now that I have the concealer on my eyelid, I'm gonna take another flat brush, and this is also from Walmart, and I'm gonna pat the color, this one, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid. But I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray because I want to I want the shimmery shade to really pop and stay on my eye. So that's why I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna use it. So now we're taking it. It's really hard too. Just gonna take it. And then I'm gonna spray it. Okay. And now we're gonna apply it. And I know, am I in focus? Focus. Okay. So I know it looks really harsh right now, but don't worry, we're gonna blend it all together so it doesn't look crazy like that. So I'm taking again the color. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. Spraying it and applying it. So now that that's done, that we already have the color, I'm gonna take the same color and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone, and for the inner corner I'm gonna be using a pencil brush, and it's also from the travel makeup brush that I told you about. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take this brush. Okay, so now that we have our brown bone highlighted in the inner corner of our eye, I'm gonna take the same fluffy brush we were using to apply the colors, which is this one, and I'm just gonna blend everything together so it doesn't look harsh. That's the eyes are done. So now I'm going to be taking the Gel Double Up eyelashes in the style 203. So that's how they look like, and they're really big and dramatic. So I'm gonna take them on, and I'm gonna be using the Duo Brush On Adhesive, the green one. I'm gonna be taking it, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna move on to some mascara just to finish my eyelashes and to put some on my bottom lashes. So I'm taking the Rimmel London Lash Accelerator. That's how it looks like. Sorry because it looks so gross, but I give it a lot of love. So I'm gonna be applying that. So after I have some mascara on my lashes, the final step, well, almost the last step because I still need my lipstick, but I'm gonna be taking the Wet n Wild, I don't know the name because it's okay, because I don't have the name because it's it completely rubbed off. So I just know it's Wet n Wild, as you can see, but I just don't know the name. I just know it's a black eyeliner. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna do my waterline and tightline. So now that my eyes and face is all done, the last thing is my lips, and I'm gonna be taking the Wet n Wild liquid cat suit, and I have it in the shade Give Me Mocha. And I'm just gonna be applying it all over my lips. So this is the finished product. I'm just gonna fix my hair, change my shirt, and I'll be right back. This is the finished product. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and just a little reminder, please subscribe to my channel. It will really help me a lot, and it makes me so happy whenever I see another subscriber. Please like my videos, because it just makes me feel really happy that other people enjoy watching my videos. Also, if you like, comment. I love when people comment on my videos. And yeah, just thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next